Did you know you can make hard-boiled eggs in the air fryer? Let's see how easy this could really be, shall we? We will preheat our air fryer at 250 degrees, and we're going to set the timer for 17 minutes because the other reviews are saying that that's not enough time at 15. Once our air fryer is preheated, we'll be putting in 12 eggs. 9, 12. That's right there. Alright. Now we will get our ice bath ready. After 12 minutes, none of these are broke. That's a good sign to begin with. But now we're going to put this in an ice bath and set the timer for 8 to 10 minutes so they can cool off. This is how our eggs came out after they were done cooking. Not completely 100, solid yolk, but they work for what we need them for.